Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Appogee HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in app.apogeehr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for Appogee HR right away. You can log in using your Google, your Microsoft or your Xero account by clicking on the respective buttons. And you also have the option to enter your credentials manually. Go ahead and enter the email address that you used while signing up for your account, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in to Appogee HR option and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password option and you will be asked to enter your email address, after which you can click on the reset password button to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Appogee HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.